Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Headspace weekly on settings. In this page, you will click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. In this list, you will search about Headspace and you will click. In this page of App Info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Headspace. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.